Good morning. So today is a special day for me and the boys. It's gonna be our first quote-unquote drift event today. I'm gonna take the Z out for its first time spinning the tires and everything. I haven't really done that at all. Well, I lied. I may have done it once, but not crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and everything's prepped already, kinda. She's got a full tank. I washed it last night. Look at this. So shiny. So shiny. Needs tint. But we're going to grab the spares. I actually bought a set of wheels. So the only issue is these things are 20s. And they fit. There's a little bit of gap between the front rocker and the wheel, but should be good. It should still work. We should be fine. I'm bringing the canopy too. I got a $5 I got a 5-gallon can of gas just in case, because we're probably going to be out there for a couple hours at the compound that we're calling it now. That's our compound. So I'm just waiting on Ernesto and everybody's all gonna show up here probably around 7:30, so maybe about 30 minutes, and we'll go ahead and load up, and then I'll introduce you to them and their cars and stuff. Road's a little sketchy going to the compound. There's a lot of potholes on the way here, so like this is not low car friendly. I'm not even low, but it ain't rubber band tire, it ain't profile tire friendly. It's truck friendly, like the boys back there. The boys are in the truck, they got all the supplies.
Flicking in his
yeah.
Okay, whatever, right? The smashing, yeah, it was working, but at the end of the day, you're like, fuck, dude.
But at the same time, it won't help me. It won't help me follow a line I need to follow, because I'm always trying to correct what I'm actually doing.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Yeah. And then that goes into throttle input. I know I don't mean to sound like a broken record player, but the more smooth and the less too much like high to low, right? That's too much. We're gonna be drifting properly, no sideshow shit, right? So the more smooth the more correct throttle input you have, the less steering input, right? Because as soon as you're getting smooth with it, your steering wheel is smooth. And you're going, you're like, oh shit,
and I
saw your
felt
eyes.
that. When you told me to back off the throttle and I backed off of it, my drift got slower, but it got more controllable. And I was using less steering input and more throttle input, and I was able to keep the momentum going. And I was able to transition right away too, because I just left the gas and I went the other way. Yeah.
So yours is 4,000 to 5,000 RPMs. Nick, I'm pretty sure it's like 5 to 6.
In first?
Yeah.
In first, yeah, around 5.
Yeah. Because I told you what, 3 to 4, right?
You said 3 to 4, and it just wanted to kill itself.
Yeah, and I was like,
well, remember
we heard a crossover in your car. A lot.
Okay, so traction control was on.
traction control was on.
Traction control was on.
That's why.
I was like,
I have to turn it on every time I turn the car off.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how the IS is too. Vibrate that shit out.
Fuck that shit.
You don't need traction control. You just rip it up.
Just like,
it might be just a fuse. It might just be a fuse or a relay.
yeah.
So.
Yeah. I mean, I pulled the fuse.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's probably why.
So these are my go-to tires. They look fucking great.
They still look good after all that.
Let me see.
Oh, they're the Potenzas?
These are foursomes, but they're basically. We got them on Amazon.
Wait, really?
60 bucks tires, and they're just like the fucking Federal 595s. They're reinforced sidewalls, they're rotational, and dude, the wear pattern on it is fucking hella good.
What the fuck?
That's wild.
That is insane.
Yep.
Very happy purchase.
Hell yeah. I can't wait to do the suspension on it. Get rid of the negative camber in the rear to get more forward bite. Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah, I bought BCs.
Hey.
And tow arms.
Fuck yeah.
So, and an actual exhaust, because it's just a muffler delete.
Ah, okay.
That's does it sound loud?
It sounds really good, honestly.
It's weird because most VQs, when muffler delete, they sound terrible.
No, my car is 10 times louder than yours.
Yes, it is.
I'm sorry.
I was looking at the audio on my camera, and it just like, I'm like, oh my god, it's peaking so bad.
I'm sorry. I was gonna put a DB killer in it, but I was too lazy to.
Probably just needs resonators. Does it have resonators?
It has a 22-inch resonator, and then it has it doesn't have a muffler, but it has a hemlock in it.
Oh, okay.
So if you look underneath, it's all 3 inches. And so there's a 22-inch resonator all up front, but there's a hemlock right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, okay, that's cool. Nice. All I did was go with the Z1 single exit, and my friend Fonzo hates me for it because
Because the single exit?
Because single exits, sometimes they don't sound good, but I heard this one because it has a resonator white pipe, and it's basically like 2 3/4, almost basically 3-inch all the way out, and it sounds good. It doesn't sound raspy.
I love single exits.
But true duals do sound just like, they just sound angry as fuck.
You guys anything zip tied?
Oh shit!
What the fuck are those?
You guys anything zip tied,
Commercial
dude?
zip tie.
I know. What the
Commercial, bro. Look.
you could tie fucking people together with that thing.
I managed to GTA it. It's upside down now.
Why does it look crooked?
It's flipped like an omelet.
Oh, I'm crooked, that's why. There goes the boy Jimmy. Never mind. Oh. Fuck it, I don't need it.
Lens hood, dude.
Tried it.
This chair's too big.
You're in my way, Anthony.
Oh, I forgot this is fucking internal zoom. Forgot about that.
Dude, your fat ass head is in the way.
Shut the fuck up.
I was watching the car, or not my camera, so I fucking ruined it.
I guess that was ass basics.
My weight on your back. No, my camera lenses.
How'd that feel?
Oh, sick.
Fuck that bar.
I know that felt good,
I
probably.
felt something crack. I'm just kidding.
It's recording.
They're just standing there, man and sleep.
Nice. And they go. Hey, there it is. Look at that. It was the steering wheel position.
You need to be higher for him to see it.
Exactly. Short ass motherfucker. Fuck you, Nick. I love you. Do shit.
You let go of the steering wheel too much.
Bum.
Oh, now we're doing sideshow activity now.
Is he gonna tap it? Is he gonna tap it? Ah!
Dude, you suck. That's the guy that's on the
So when you held your line, you're being happy with the car.
Yeah, no, I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna let it go. But yeah, well, I started going down to like 4 at first, and then it started like
Walking out?
yeah.
Damn, it's burning.
Tires are hot.
Yeah.
Car's getting hot already. Car's at like 240, 250.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
That was a good save, that donut, because he didn't like straighten out or anything. I don't know, but clutch kicking just sounds better. Like hearing your car like just whacking it.
You hear my car?
I hear your intake more.
Really?
Yeah.
Not enough steering.
It'd be like that.
Hello, people on the one. Hello. Shut the fuck up.
That hurts. God. My body ain't what it used to be. Vibing. So I was like, my body ain't what it used to be. Do you see my stance for shooting right now? I was like,
Oh, rip pants.
oh fuck, we got copyrighted.
Clutch kick.
Hey, he was doing it though, wasn't he?
Well, if you're wondering what happened, I forgot my batteries at the house. Like an idiot. But I'm just gonna continue yesterday's video onto today. What we're gonna do is I'm going to Rico's house actually, and our fabulous teacher for drifting, and he's gonna tint the Z today because it desperately needs it. I'm just riding around in a freaking fishbowl. But I'm gonna check the oil first, check coolant and everything, do a quick check, and then we're just gonna go ahead. So, shouldn't be that bad. Be a nice, it's hot today, it's like 103 so far.